Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn how to do undo and redo. Undo and redo in Excel. In Excel. For example, I have given some data here. Names, age. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And names. We are having some names. We are having some names. So I'm giving some ages. Some ages. So I'm giving some ages. So I want to, so here I have given the wrong age. Here I have given wrong age. So how can I go back? So by pressing Ctrl Z, then it will it will be gone. Like when this undo will help you is, so whenever you wrote something wrong, and you want to get back to the previous position, like whatever, you have written right 18. So you did not write 18. So if you want to reach that position, you have to do Control plus Z. So which is means undo. Control plus Z. So what's the command we have to do? Control plus Z, which means undo, 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 undo. And if I want I forgot, and her age is 18 only. Her age is 18 only. But I did undo. But I want that age back. Which means whatever I wrote 18, I want to get it back. Then you have to use Control plus Y. Control plus Y. So which means redo. So I will use Control Y. So Control Y. For example, 18. Control Z and Control Y. So now working. For example, delete here and press Control Y. It's not coming. So what is the meaning of Control Y? If you want to come to the previous position, then you will use Control plus Y. Control plus Y. So I'm using Control plus Y, but it's not going redo. So which means, what is redo means? For example, you have written like this, right? Actually, so if you want to get back to the normal position, plus Control Z. So normal position means what? So you did not write anything. So this is the normal position, and you want again back to the truth. Then you have to press Control Y, but it's not working. But if you press Control Y, then Achyut will be back. So try to do Control plus Y in your system. If it is not working, please comment in the chat and I will help you out in the future classes. Why it's not working, I will check and I will let you know. So this is all about redo and undo functions in Excel. So that's it, friends. It's a simple class about undo and redo functions in Excel. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.